My name is Jenny Jeffries, and today I'll be talking to you about why you should build your own computer rather than buy one in store. So first of all, you get to learn about the technology that you're using in your everyday to day life. Most of us use computers or any other kind of technology, like cell phones are very popular as well. Uh, you get to learn about the technology and see how it works, what goes into making it, anything else that's related that you get to learn about. Um, you can also make it completely customizable to your own needs. You can make it like a gaming computer or a work computer, whatever you need it to be. You can cut off all the extra bells and whistles and that you don't need. You can just put what you need in it and not worry about anything else. You can also repair it very easily. Like you can, instead of going to the tech support and having to pay them for their labor and maybe not knowing what's right or wrong, you can learn about that and know what's wrong with it and be able to easily just order the part and replace it rather than having to go to the store, um, have them analyze it, tell you what's wrong with it. You don't know what it is or what it's not. Believe them and just have them repair it for you, or even tell them it's broken, get a new one, and have them buy a brand new computer and start all over. You can also, on that same note, upgrade it whenever you want. Like you can always put in a better graphics card or put some more storage on there, whatever you need. You can always just upgrade it, add onto your computer, make it better, faster, whatever you need. It's very easy to just, once you know how to do it, you can just pull it apart, put new stuff in, and make it work for you. You also get a great sense of accomplishment after building your computer. Instead of going to the store, buying it, taking it home, having a new computer, you can build it yourself and have that pride that you sat there, you built, you put every part into it, um, and you built it from scratch. So it's a great sense of accomplishment, a great sense of pride to say, hey, I built this. So building your computer is very good to learn about the technology that you're using, um, completely customize it to your needs, and not having extra things that you don't, and putting stuff that you do want. Um, you can also repair it very easily. Just take out what you don't need, fix it. You can upgrade it very easily as well, add more storage as you need it. You don't need to worry about that. Buy a new computer whenever it's out of storage, or if it breaks, you can just upgrade it and use it for a lot longer. And then you get that great sense of accomplishment of having your computer that you built. Well, thank you very much. My name is Jane Jeffries, and go out and go build yourself a computer.